Alright guys, welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin, and we're just going to be doing an overview of our stock. This is now the 2nd of October. It's about 5 or 6 days or so before shipment 6 comes in of about 76 bikes, so we're just getting prepared for that. First up is this Mini Cooper 1985 1275 engine, completely restored from top to bottom. Full new suspension underneath, air suspension, tyres, alloys are Mini Cooper special edition ones, rally lights up front, paintwork is really good, just been resprayed, interior is really nice, it's got a custom dash and the clocks as you can see, roof is good as well, in the back. But anyway, that's that. It's not really, it's for sale, but it's not for sale, if you know what I mean. We do have one guy coming down this Thursday to have a look at it, but if not, I'm more than happy to keep a hold of it. So it's for sale at the right money is what it really is. Then we have our MZ250, sorry, someone at the door I thought. MZ250 here. I think I might link videos for any of the ones that have videos here, and their ads in the description down below on YouTube if you're watching on YouTube. Go down there if you're interested in one of these bikes that I point out. The video will be down below to have a look for prices and etc. Just got in this Aprilia RS 125 2-stroke, really nice little bike. Then our CT90 1969, fully original, nice little bike. Then the Magna 250, which is sold. Our little Squash 50. Very collectible little bike, very rare, and I think it has only 950 kilometers on the clock from new, 1980 something, I'm not sure on the particular year. Then we have a CL360. If you ever see any of these wires, it's just charging battery, so that one's charging battery, this one's charging battery. It's mainstay in a dealership if you ever get into one. CV125, which is in for insurance repairs. Someone backed into him and he's getting a few bits put back onto her. BMW 850R is sold. Steed 400, I think we have about 4 or 5 people on that this week alone. Honda MD90, a C90 in the back there. Another custom C90 we have up for sale. Has had a lot of interest on YouTube particularly. Honda C50 Little Cub, Suzuki Landy, the Sherco 125, which is brand new, only 90 kilometers on the clock. Then we have our Honda Dio Sesta with the basket on the front, TLR 50, ST 150 twin, 2-stroke, very rare with electric start in a 60s bike. PS250 Big Ruckus, which is sold. Our Lambretta, which we're actually trying to get rid of. So if you do have a look at this, we'll be selling it very cheap. It'll be, you know, it's running, driving, stopping. It just needs a few little bits, which you could do yourself at home very easily. KX80, I should say. SR400, the XJR. If I can get out of here without breaking anything. XJR 1300, which is sold, and the Suzuki GT185 twin. Finally, you have our Honda Zoomer, which I think we're going to be bringing down in price slightly. I think it's too high at 1950, so I'm going to bring that down a bit. And then this RD400, which we haven't shown anyone. It has been sold, but if you want to have a look here, 334 kilometers on the clock, and it is absolutely brand new. Everything. Look at the thing that tells you now is this front disc brake. It's just immaculate. It's just, it is just a factory brand new bike, never been used. All of that is rolling mileage over the years since the 70s. It's been rolled about 300 miles, I'd say. But yeah, and we still have our sidecar project, which is coming along. It's going to be moved to a different place just for storage when we get all the bikes in. Our Yamaha DT125 Enduro, And then we have a Yamaha Neos 50 that we're just putting a new carb into, and will be ready soon. 2014 with a back box and about 14,000 kilometers on it. So nice little 50cc bike we're going up soon. That's kind of it. Also I shall show you outside. We have our Suzuki Carry we just put up on the weekend. I did a video of me driving it on the outside, so if you're interested in that as well, I'll link that down below. As well as the Land Cruiser there, which will be going up for sale, I'd say, come January, for the €56 road tax that it's going to be having on it. But that's kind of everything. Again, we have kind of cleared everything. Looks fairly empty because we're going to be getting a shipment of about 76 bikes in the next 5 to 6 days. So also, if you are interested in all those bikes that are coming in, I do have a brochure of pictures of every single bike, the price, the mileage, and so on. So if you do want to have a look at that, I will list that down below as well. It's just a form. You fill out the form and then the email is automatically sent to you. So that's it now. That's our stock update for now October, just before the bikes arrive in on the 6th or 7th, I'd say, at this stage. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.